guys, it's Thespa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on, well, tonight I'm working on the newest tag for the Enchanted Spring Tag Challenge on the Uncommon Guild Facebook group. We used to be the Alternative Junk Journals Facebook group, but now we've moved to the Uncommon Guild because the old group is being shut down. So I am working on the day 3 prompt, which is incorporate vines or roots into your design. So I think I'm going to just, I was trying to figure out a way to do this, and I've tried a couple things, and so I think I'm going to go with this, as I've had this puffy paint for a while, and I was like, well, I might as well try it and use it up. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with, something, kind of like this, and then have the vines all over. But first of all, I'm going to be distressing this. This Somerset Digital Studio, and I really kind of like this article by Nettie Edwards, and I really kind of like this image, so I think I'm going to use this. This looks, it's pretty cool, and it's got some trees and stuff in it, so I think that'll work good. Going for an overgrown portrait, or something like that, with lots of vines growing out of the portrait and stuff. So I'm gonna let that dry overnight, and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. Okay, so it's the next morning, and this stuff has dried. You can see that funky texture. It dried a lot darker than what it is in the tube. This is what it started out being, but it's supposed to be a gold glitter. I don't see any glitter in it, but I really just wanted it for the texture. So now I'm going to attempt to paint over. We'll see how that works out. happy with that. I have to figure out what I want to put as fibers. Okay, so I just had some of this stuff that I had made up these squares, I don't know, many years ago for a different project, and ended up not using as many as I made. This was kind of like a loose weave muslin. It's like a super loose weave, and when you tear it and you pull off the ends and then you wash it, it gives it a really nice fuzzy look on the edge. So I just tore a strip off that had a lot of nice pieces off, and so I'm just going to distress this a little bit. String from the other day. Okay, I think I am done. Pretty happy with how that turned out. I was not really sure how I was going to approach this, and that was definitely a challenge to incorporate vines, so April's coming up with some good ones. Alright, so yeah, I think I'm done with this one, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the creepy, the unusual, this could be junk journals or paper crafts or, sculpture or sewing, or, the Uncommon Guild is opening up to all different forms of art and creepy art and off the beaten path kind of stuff. So if you like that kind of stuff, just come on over and visit us on the Facebook group. The Uncommon Guild is going to be a fun place. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button for me if you will. And I just hit 700 subscribers. Thank you so much, everyone. So I will be announcing my prize challenge soon, and it's going to have a long duration, probably till June. Given what all's going on. So I'm going to be plenty of time to enter and give people something to do while they're hanging out at home. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!